Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove or turn off the restricted mode on TikTok. TikTok has this restricted mode that is on as a default, so this means that you're not going to be able to see every piece of content on the platform. If you want to see every piece of the content of the platform, you need to have this function off. Let me show you how you can turn this off. Launch the TikTok app first. Click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then when you're at your own account, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right where the three straight lines are. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. And when you're at settings and privacy, you want to scroll down to the content preferences. You want to click on this. And the third option is restricted mode. You can turn this on or off based on your personal preference, because TikTok will make particular videos blurred for a variety of reasons. So this is how you can manage this on your For You page. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.